friends! Today I want to share with you my taimeshi recipe. Taimeshi red snapper rice is a celebratory dish in Japan. The whole fish is cooked with rice, the umami goes into the grain and it makes the rice so delicious. The red snapper is grilled before cooking in the pot to remove the unpleasant smell and give only a fragrance to it. An earthenware pot is often used to cook taimeshi. Of course, you can cook in a rice cooker, but the smell stays for the next week. So I recommend using an earthenware pot or heavy bottom pot. So let's get started. First, we are rinsing the rice. Transfer your 2 cups of rice into a rice rinsing bowl. Pour a generous amount of water. Switch your hands to pass through the water quickly. Pour out the water. At this point, the rice is very dry and tends to absorb dirty water, so you should do it very quickly. Switch your hand as if you are rubbing the rice grain each other, pouring in the water again and pouring out. Save the rice rinsing water to water your plants. It's a nutrition for your plants. Repeat the process 1 or 2 more times and drain. Set aside until the red snapper is prepared. Here I have a prepared red snapper. Scale and guts has been removed at the grocery store. If your red snapper is not prepared, cut a slit under the abdominal fin and take out the guts. Rinse under the running cold water to clean the inside. Then scale the red snapper. Hold your knife and stroke firmly from the tail to the head. There are firm scales around the fin, so carefully take that off. Clean it up under the cold running water and pat it dry. Score the surface and sprinkle a teaspoon of salt. Put it in the heated fish grill or use the broiler or barbecue grill to grill the surface. You don't have to cook through at this stage. All you need to do is grill the surface to add toasty flavor, and you can remove the unpleasant smell at the same time. Cover the fin with a piece of aluminum foil to prevent burning too much. While we are grilling the red snapper, let's shred the fresh ginger. Remove the skin and shred into thin strips. Now let's cook the taimeshi. Transfer the rice into an earthenware pot and pour in 2 tablespoons of mirin and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add in 1 2/3 cup of water. Put in small 3 pieces of Kombu Kelp and shredded ginger. Carefully place your grilled red snapper in the center and put the lid on. Turn the heat to medium-high and cook until it starts boiling. When it reaches the boil, take off the lid and give it a stir underneath the red snapper to even out the heat. Lower the heat and cover again and cook 10 minutes. Increase the heat to medium-high for the last 1 minute or so to get the bottom brown nicely. Do not take off the lid at this point and leave it 10 minutes to cook with the remaining heat. After 10 minutes, let's take a look at it. Smells so good. Let it sit until the dinner is ready. Let's see how to prepare other dishes. Cut kabocha squash into bite-sized pieces. Shave the skin where the scratch is on. Transfer to a medium-sized pot, add a tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and add 2/3 cup of water. Turn the heat to medium and cover. Cook 10 minutes until cooked or a little bit of broth is remaining. The key to make a good simmered pumpkin is keep the heat a little bit higher than you think. If you cook it on low heat, The kabocha squash will be losing its shape and the texture is not quite good, really watery. Next, pan fry the chicken. The chicken has been rubbed with salt and a little bit of sake and potato starch or cornstarch. Cover and cook thoroughly. Transfer to a dish with lettuce and broccoli or anything you have on your hand. Topped with a generous amount of chopped scallions and use ponzu soy sauce. Today I'm chilling on the miso soup with dashi powder. Dissolve the dashi powder in 2 cups of boiling water and dissolve 2 tablespoons of miso. Add in rehydrated wakame seaweed and cook until heated through. Now the dinner is ready, let's finish the taimeshi. Take out the red snapper and remove all the bones and crumble the meat and put it back into the pot. Remove the Kombu Kelp and fluff the rice. Sprinkle mitsuba leaves for the finishing touch, and there you have it. The taimeshi is ready to serve. The umami from the fishbone is really penetrated into the grains and it tastes so good. No unpleasant fishy smells and it tastes so delicious. You can make delicious onigiri rice bowl with the leftovers. The brown part at the bottom is very fragrant and it's my secret pleasure. It's going to be a crowd-pleasing dish and make it at your next family gathering. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your posts if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!